Elsewhere, Safari Rally fans have called on the government not to abandon the event, which is now on the World Rally Championship calendar 5 years since its return. The economic and social impact of the event is far more significant than letting go. This comes after the backdrop of the government cutting the funding for the WRC Safari in 2025.
Let's keep the safari, and also the government, they should not drop the ball on, in keeping the safari in the calendar, because it takes a lot. It took a lot for us to come back to the FIA calendar. And even, government cutting spending on the safari. Hopefully, corporates will take up that challenge and be able to, invest in the safari. But the government needs to realize that, this is a huge event and it's huge for Kenya, and it would be a shame to lose the safari.
Now to matters golf for charity. Rotarians from Mount Kenya organized a charity golf tournament